So basically, what I'm going to do today is going to finish Stargazer by Sonic Man. It's really lag, so I can't finish it. So still, my phone's gonna fight it again. Joke. Now, should I post the tutorial videos? You should comment, guys. Comment down below. Lol. I know. Wrong grammar. So, who knows Utopia? Just comment down below and say me, cause I will make some videos with one of you guys. You're lucky me, bro. I'm such rage right now. I hate it, man. I don't know how to speak English because I am a Filipino. That's why I don't know. Okay, no problem. I hate you all. No, okay, I hate me.